Now we are connecting the machine. This is the remote and all the operations are on the remote here. Can you show me the remote? This is the remote and all the controls are from this remote. And this is the display. You can read the display which has come on right now, and we can change the display and the settings with this remote. So we will show you the operations now. So the machine has started functioning. This is the model number P7 Pro. So this is the alkaline water which is now have started to come out, and there you can see the acidic water which is going out. So our system is installed and operational. So this blue pipe can be be connected to the pot or maybe some bottle, and you can fill it and use it for drinking.